Hello and welcome to English Bytes. In this video, we are discussing the word participate. Participate has 4 syllables. In British English, we pronounce it as participate. 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 And in American English, we pronounce it as participate. 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 Participate means to join in or be a part of something like an activity, event, or situation. When you participate in something, you are doing things with others. The example sentences are: Number 1. Eva loves to participate in school games. Number 2. Everyone was invited to participate in the charity event. Synonyms of participate are engage, join, perform. The antonyms are ignore, avoid, stop. The first form is participate. The second form is participated. And the third form is participated. Common preposition used with the word participate is in. And the other prepositions are with and on. Thanks for watching.